Okay, before we get into this video, I've had another sticker from Ben over at Ben's Wood Burning. I'll put a link to Ben's Instagram in the description. Now, let's get on with this video. Okay, since it's Christmas week, we're just going to do a quick one. Right? This is a pen kit I haven't done before. Right? It's for a Christmas present for someone, apparently. Right. The brief I got was dark wood. Right, and what I've done is I found a piece of acacia. It's kind of like the core of the tree, and there's almost black lines running through it. I hope the camera's picking that up. Right. And the brief was guns. Right, so I got this kit. I got it from Pen Kits Mall, right? And it's bolt action. It's a bolt action, right? Gun on the clip, right? Parker refill, and the top looks like a bullet. Right, I haven't done this kit before, so we'll see what happens. Right now, I've already glued up the blank into the tube just to save time. And the drill bit, which I also ordered from Pen Kits Mall, is not, oh, there it is, a 3/8. Right. Okay, we'll get on with this. As I said, it's Christmas time, so we're going to be quick because it's family time. I just had to change the pulleys because I forgot I was turning big balls last. So let me take me a sec. Anything about this? The lagoon is it's very quick. It's a very quick belt change. Right. Here we go. Belt changed. That's better. Right. Up to 2,000 revs. Right. Let's get on with this. Oh, this hardwood is quite hard. And I might be a little high. That's better. I hope those black streaks show in the blank when it's done. Yes, this acacia hardwood is hard. Very hard, actually. I think I did a smallish bowl out of this before. And it actually heated up the gouge. Because it really is rock hard stuff. Right, let's see if we can get a cut into this now. Right, so look at that. All the black streaks did stay. Cool. Check for edges. None. Grand. Right. Now, we give this a sand. Start off at 240. Right. And again, as I said in the last pen video, I'm very conscious of heat buildup, because that will split a pen blank in a second. Just there. $3.20. And 400. Now, for those of you who haven't seen me do a pen before, I don't use CA finishes because I basically don't like them. I used to, I just don't like them. Quick cleaning. Oh, that is nearly black actually. That's nice. That is nice. Right, so, giving a quick clean with meths, or in America it would be denatured alcohol. Now, some sanding sealer. The dust off this is really dark. Yeah. As I said, I think I did a bowl out of this stuff before, and it's rock hard. Right, spin that up and let it dry. Well, that's drying. Happy Christmas to you all, and hope you and your families have a good one. It's that time of year where everything is strange. And that's dry. Some Yorkshire grit. Right. What I'm actually going to do, just for the fun of it, is I'm going to upload this video in real time. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to let it run. Right. As somebody asked me, how long does it take me to make a pen? Well, somebody can put a clock on this and find out. Gluing and drilling at about a minute and a half. And while you're putting a clock on, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel and like and share the video if you want. So we're just building the channel up bit by bit. And I suppose eventually we'll get there. This is just it's just a hobby for me. It's something to do, because as somebody is now, I had to retire because I got sick, and I've worked on my life, and I just find it really hard not doing anything. Okay. A little bit of Hampshire Screen Hide glass. Let that dry. And this is a brand new tin of Hampshire Sheen gloss wax, and what they've done is they've actually formulated it so it's now food and tie safe. Very handy yoke. You don't have to think about it anymore. Right, we'll let that dry. And while we're letting that dry, we might as well have a look at the instructions for this pen. I printed them off and I did bring them out. Now all I gotta do is find out where to put them. Does anybody else do that? Put something down and then forget where they put it. Nah, found it. Right, instructions for the pen. Seems basic enough. Yeah, seems basic enough. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like a difficult pen kit. There's only like 3 or 4 parts. Right. Because of its size, that wax should be dry by now. Buff it off. Barely any pressure on it. As I keep saying when I do stuff like this, we're buffing, not burnishing. Speed way up to get a good burnish on it, or a good buff on it. There's sections out that are nearly jet black. Right, I'm just going to have the next bit. which is putting the kit together. Alright then. The mouse. And according to the instructions, it's just one piece in one end and one piece into the other. No rings, no fiddly bits, nothing. Move this back slightly. It's longer than it looks. Right, pick a nice side at the front. Do you want to go black at the front, or do you want to go at the goldy colour at the front? I'm thinking the black. Now, that pops in there. Spring goes over there. This screws in there. And there's the bolt action pen. Very easy kit to do, actually. Yes, quite pretty kit too. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed that one. As I said, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one.